This is the elevator at the 32nd and Vallejo building in Highlands, Denver, Colorado. This is Schindler 3300. It's a pretty small one, I think only 2,100 pounds. Yeah, it's only 2,100 pounds. Parking one, here we go down. Your parking, it says only P on the indicator, P1 now, I'm guessing they relabeled it. That looks like a newer brow. Judging by the sign in the lobby, I believe 3 is locked. Actually, there's a roof floor, which is locked. Mezzanine. Bring it up to 2. I think it's Industrious' reception. It's a basic stainless steel Schindler cab with spot lighting. I think all it did. Here, back up one. Back close, and that's gonna be it.